Hi everybody, this is Kirgi from Hmong Soul Food. Today I will show you how to make two special spicy sauce that goes really well with egg rolls. Make sure to visit my website for more details and other great dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future recipes. Let's start with the spicy, sweet and sour sauce. What you will need first is a bottle of sweet chili sauce. Pour 1 cup into a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Thai chili into the sauce. I used 2 stalks of cilantro, 1 whole green onion, combine them together, chop them up, and put inside the bowl. Next, use a spoon to mix and stir the sauce thoroughly. Cut and juice 1 whole lime into the mix. You can easily juice each half of the lime with a spoon like this. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted chopped peanuts, then mix it all together. To make it look pretty, sprinkle some chopped peanuts with a touch of cilantro and green onion on top. And there you have it, irresistible, spicy, sweet, and sour sauce for your egg rolls. Now let's make the spicy, creamy peanut sauce. You will need a bottle of peanut butter. Make sure to get the creamy label and not the crunchy. Scoop 1/2 cup of the peanut butter into a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of water. You will need 1 tablespoon of fish sauce instead of salt. Notice I did not put the 1 tablespoon in there because my pre-made Thai chili already contains fish sauce. You will also need unsalted peanuts that will be chopped. Scoop 1/4 cup onto a chopping board. Use a knife to chop them into smaller pieces. Don't use pestle or mortar, or they will end up smushed. Chop 6 stalks of cilantro and 3 stalks of green onion. This will balance the overpowering peanut taste. And finally, juice 1 whole lime into the sauce. Begin mixing slowly by breaking apart the peanut butter with the spoon. You will have to smush several times until it loosens up. Mix thoroughly until there's no more clump left and all ingredients are blended well. You should get a consistency that is neither too runny or too sticky, like this. And now you have a unique, spicy, creamy peanut sauce like no others for all your guests to enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel and let me know which sauce you like the most in the comments below. See you in my next video!